Correct as ready. Okay, see this. I'll delete this src folder. See, delete the src folder you want. Delete first step is what? Delete the src folder you want. Don't worry, you have a recording video. I'll send it. You can watch it. Don't worry. Okay, src folders got deleted. src folder delete recycling ban. Let's get continue done. It's not get deleted. Let's be check. Okay, src folder got deleted. See how to create folder. Don't click on this and create folder. See, don't click on this create folder, so it will become folder inside the folder. I want the folder outside. So click on the place which is like this. So don't click on this and create a folder. So what happens? It gets a folder inside the folder. You have to click here. You have to click outside that. You have to click. Hey. You have to click outside here. You have to click outside. Have to click it inside or have to click it outside? Have to click it outside. See, this is to create file. This one is to create folder. This one is to create file. This one is to create folder. Now I have to create one folder. The folder name should be what? src. src means what? Source. Where the files and the HTML files, index.html, JSS, React.js files will be there. I'll create a folder called. See, again you have to click it here. The blue lines comes. I have to create a folder. I have to tell what? src. I have to tell what? I have to tell what? src. Done. Coming in src, there is empty now. There is empty now. I have to create how many? Index.js1 and app.jsx1. Okay. Okay. Now I'll create inside. Click on this. Don't click on this and create file. So it will go to the public file. Okay. I have to create file on where? I have to create file on where? src. Click on this src. Tell create a new file. Create a new file. I'll tell index.js. Index.js. After this, click on the same src. Click on the same src. Create another file called app.jsx. JXS for what? React. Index.jx for what? JavaScript. This much you did. Don't create component. Create component later. Okay. So index.js, apps.js. Understood? Go to the src. Create one folder. Delete that src. Create one src. src should be in the all regular format. Okay. In src you have to create two things. One is index.js. Other one is what? App.jxs too. Okay. Now we have to go to the index.js. We have to connect now from HTML to where? HTML to JavaScript. What is a method to connect that? What is a function? Create root. Now I have to tell what? Import. I have to open bracket, close bracket. I have to create root. Okay. From what? From after what? Tell React DOM slash client. React DOM slash client. So this create root is in where? This place. Okay. See, I use it. No, see, if I don't use it, it is like dull. I import it. If I import it without using the user, I'll get 1000 kgs of cashew nut. I'll import it. If I don't use it, it is waste on memory location will be waste. So that what happened? We have to use it. When you import it, you have to use it. I'll tell create. I'll tell create. Create root is what? A method. So it is also known as function. This function will see it has a description. See create root. Let us create the display of the React component inside the browser DOM nodes. Okay, there are so many things you can. If you want, you can do search on it. So I have to tell what inside this. I have to tell what document. I have to tell what document dot get element by ID. Get element by ID. What is ID? I have to pass root because I have to go target what root. No, that this I have to tell render. Render is used in what that JSS components. See, we know tags. No, see when I tell h1 tag, what happened? The say h1 tag, what happens? It will order form by imagine what is happening. It is created in the form of tags. When I tell h1 tag, so h1 they have written code, so that font size will become that. Understanding? When I tell a tag, it is looking like anchor tag. Yes or no? For after this, I have to send these properties and values. Yes or no? Attributes have to send. Yes or no? Imagine it is only image tag. It is means of what? Image preview. Yes or no, sir? Like that you have to understand. See, yesterday I called app. No, app. What is meaning of app? In this app, what I have written? Hello word I have written. This app is calling here. This app I am calling here. Understand? It is in the form of tag. No, this app tag what is defining? I bro. Understanding? Imagine I have defined another tag called nav tag. So in this nav tag, what is the code I have written? What is the code I've written? One nav code. Okay, now just imagine. H1 can I call for one time or thousand time? Thousand times. Same that nav can I can call thousand times. Why? Because I defined it one time. You can call it thousand times. It's like HTML, CSS only. But I am defining my own code. Artha agtida, yeah. So I have to render what app. So I'll go to this app. So it is like in the form of function. First I have to import what? First I have to import what? React. React from React. I'll tell function name should be app because my this name is what app only, no. So inside this I have to tell what return open bracket close bracket. After that I have to tell what semicolon. I should not leave it like this. I have to pass anything. Because div tag I'm passing, I'm putting it there, no. I'll tell div inside this. I'll tell h1 intel. I'll tell hello voice. I'll tell hello voice. I'll tell hello boys. Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, after that, this I have to export it. No, I'll tell export defaultly I have to export what app. Any doubts? No, inside this I have to go import it. I'll tell import from that slash app. So from this folder I'll go here and I'll do it here. Okay, now here I have to call it in the form of what? In the form of tag. Now I'll tell app. No, it is in the form of tag only. No. Now tell me if I give h1 tag, what happened? It will look at h1. If I give app tag, what is happening? It is defaultly acting as app. Arthak, yeah. Thing. So now, so you should not write the code here. To run the code, you have to do nothing. You have to go here, click here. You have to tell terminal. Go click here. You have to tell terminal. New terminal. New terminal. Terminal got. Terminal got. See, if it is in the form of like this or debugging this, you have to go to the terminal. You have to go to the terminal. If not, you are getting this. Go to the terminal. If you are still not getting that, you have to go click this plus. Go click this plus. Idanda class hai. Share share illa irukkuda. Inga irukku pora eduthukuda. You have to go this, and we have something called terminal. In this you have to tell what, first you tell cd dot my app if you want. So it is already okay, so it's already inside that only. So that's why it is throwing error, because it's already inside cd my app. No, I have to tell what, npm start. Npm start. Something it's already running. I have to tell y means yes. Hello boy, coming. Okay. Now, but I don't want to do it because I should not use this app. Instead of this, I'll make it in a different way. Let me understand. So I have to create a component. In SRC, I have to create a component where every React JS code will be there. Okay. Click on this. Click on this. Tell folder. So click on SRC. Create one folder, not a file. The folder name should be what? Component. The folder name should be what? Component. Component. Correct spelling? Huh? Any? Any? COMP. Oh, component, correct? Component. So I'll go. See, once you throw error, it is throwing error. Why? Because app.js is not returning anything. Yes or no? So I'll put one div tag. Error gone. Obviously, it's gone. So I'll go create one bar. Now I'll create one bar. So how to create? See, don't click and create file. So what happened? It will create here only. So if I create this file, where it is creating, it's not creating inside a component. So instead of this, click on the component, create the file. Artha agtadi, yeah. Click on this and create the file. Now I'll create a file called allo. I'll create a file called allo.jsx. Allo.jxx. So this is also same thing. Function I have to create. Now I have to tell what? Import. Tell import. What I have to import? React. React from React. After this I have to create a function. How to create a function? My file name is what? Allo. My function name should be allo. How to create it? Function name. What is a function name? Allo. And open bracket, close bracket. and it should return something, no, return, and I'll make it as open bracket and close bracket. Now I'll terminate with semicolon. See, if not terminating with semicolon, this is also fine. Semicolon is not mandatory, no. In JavaScript I told no, without semicolon also it will run. In Java it is not there, syntax should be part. In semicolon it is fine, but better going with semicolon. Okay, inside this I'll tell see, I'll tell allo, allo. So I'll define one tag called h1 tag. Now I'll mention allo, 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 allo. Okay, so this tag, see, it is throwing in yellow color. Why? Because you defined it, but you are not exporting. Export ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to export? For everything you have to do. Hey, remember in HTML, remember h1 tag you call, how it is making bolder. You are not curious. When you tell p tag how it is getting paragraph, you are not total. See, for this they have written inbuilt function. We are calling that and we are doing now, but we are creating our own elements. We are creating our own element. In this element we can return anything. Now tell me, if I call allo element, what will run? What will I get? Allo. Imagine I have changed the logic. I have changed the logic to go. If I call allo element, what will I get? Go. Understanding. Okay, now I have to tell export. I have to tell default allo. After exporting, I have to do what? I have to go to the app.jxs. I have to call what? Inside this div, I have to call what? Allo. So it is in the form of tag only, no? The form of tag only, no? Yes or no? Why first letter capital they kept? Because if I give it in a smaller case, it thinks as any element. Element. If first letter is capital, what happened? It is a component. It is a component. Understanding? Now, can I call this component 1000 times? Yes, you can call this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆಯಾ? See, one time you declare, 1000 times you reuse it. Understood? Now I'll run this. See, whenever you'll get like some compiler thing. Click on this plus symbol. Click on this plus symbol. Tell what I have to tell. npm start. I am telling React.js is more funnier. Okay, you have to put interest. Understand? Now I have to tell what? Why? Because it is already learning. If you want to reload it, yes, reload it. One time I defined how many times I'm getting the code. So many times. Understood? So this is known as, so who is a child for app? Who is a child for app? Who app.js is, who is the child? Allo. Because allo component is calling in where? App. Yes or no? Yes or no? Day. Father, mother, father, son we have. But father is calling son or son is calling father? Father is calling. See, app is a father, who is a child? Son. Why child? Because father component, son is calling. Understanding? In father's function, I'm calling what? Son's component. Understood? Interlink from index.js, app.js is connected. From app.js, allo is connected. You can create so many components. I'll create another component. Listen. Now here I have to click. Where I have to click? See, I have to create another component. Don't click it here. See, inside this, we have to have two folders. One is one component, one is app.js, one is index.js. In components only, more components should be created. How to create? Click on component, create a file. Create a file called nar or nav, anything. Okay, I'll tell nar dot js or jsx. Now my file name is nar. My function name should be what? Nar. I have to tell what? Import react. Import react from this. I have to tell what? Function name. Function name. What is my function name? Nar. Can I keep it in a smaller letter? See what happens when I keep it in a smaller letter. It is not okay, but I have to make it as what? Component. I have to tell what? Nar. Okay, so I have to return something. No, I'll tell return. Semicolon is mandatory. No, if you want, you can keep. But I have to return what? One HTML element for short. See, I'll go again throwing an error. Why? Because element is not there. Understanding? Understanding? So I have to tell element. Div tag is element or not? Yes, I'll tell div. Tell diff. So it is throwing error. No, I'll tell allo. Allo nar bar. Nar. Allo nar. So now see, it is throwing error. Why? Because without export. How to export it? Export default. Export default default nar. Okay, so I have to go till app.jxs and I have to call what nar. Now before this I have to import it. Now I'll tell import nar from this. Now I'll go and I'll tell what I'll go here. I have to tell what nar. Nar is a component or element. Component. Understood? Understood. If I run, how to run it? npm start. But should be in smaller letter. Same thing I'm getting. Tomorrow get installation or I'm starting. Okay. Anyhow you have to do. I'll send the recording video. In YouTube there is for every solution there is a solution. Go search in YouTube, you will get a solution. Okay. Get it installed or you won't understand React. Without practicing you won't understand React. React you have to get the laptop. SQL class did I tell to get a laptop. In Java class did I told to get a laptop. In front end I did I tell to get laptop. It is fine. But React without laptop you won't understand. Okay. So coming, hello Nar. Coming. It is a form of what? Components. Under the. Okay. So let me stop this recording.